Retirement planning is a journey that begins not at the end of your career but at the very start. Building a secure financial future is about smart choices, timely investments, and a clear understanding of what your retirement goals look like. In this essay, we'll explore some of the best strategies for retirement planning and investment, combining actionable advice with intriguing facts to keep you engaged. Why retirement planning matters. Did you know that, according to a 2022 survey, nearly 25% of Americans have no retirement savings at all? This startling statistic underscores the importance of starting early and staying consistent. A well-thought-out retirement plan ensures that your golden years are stress-free and financially stable. Strategy 1. Start early and benefit from compound interest. One of the most effective ways to build a robust retirement fund is to start as early as possible. The power of compound interest cannot be overstated. Here's a fun fact. If you invest $200 monthly starting at age 25 and earn an average annual return of 7%, you'll have over $500,000 by age 65. If you wait until 35 to start, that figure drops to about $240,000. Compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Every dollar you invest earns interest, and that interest earns even more interest. Starting early means time is your greatest ally. Strategy 2. Maximize retirement accounts. Tax-advantaged retirement accounts like a 401k in the US or a similar pension plan in other countries can significantly accelerate your savings. 1. Employer matching. Many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money. 1. If your employer matches 5% of your salary, take full advantage of it. 2. Roth IRA or Roth 401k. These accounts allow for tax-free growth and withdrawals, making them an excellent choice for long-term planning. Pro tip: contribute at least enough to get the full employer match. For instance, if your salary is $50,000 and your employer offers a 5% match, that's $2,500 annually that you don't want to leave on the table. Strategy 3. Diversify your investments. When it comes to retirement, diversification is crucial. Placing all your savings in one type of investment increases risk. Instead, consider the following. 1. Stocks for growth. Allocate a portion of your portfolio to stocks, especially if you have a long timeline until retirement. 1. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% annually. 2. Bonds for stability. As you near retirement, gradually shift towards bonds, which provide more stability and predictable income. 3. Real estate. Investing in rental properties can generate passive income, which can be a valuable supplement to your retirement savings. Fun fact: a balanced portfolio, 60% stocks and 40% bonds, has historically provided strong returns with moderate risk over decades. Strategy 4. Create multiple income streams. Relying solely on one source, such as Social Security, may not be enough. Build multiple income streams, including 1. Rental income. Real estate investments can provide steady cash flow. 2. Dividend stocks. Many blue-chip companies pay consistent dividends. 3. Side hustles. Monetize hobbies or skills that you can continue in retirement. Example: Warren Buffett, one of the richest individuals in the world, is a strong advocate of dividend stocks. Companies like Coca-Cola and Procter & Gamble have provided him with millions in passive income annually. Strategy 5. Plan for healthcare costs. Healthcare is one of the largest expenses in retirement. According to Fidelity, a 65-year-old couple retiring in 2023 will need approximately $315,000 for medical expenses. Preparing for these costs is vital. 1. Health savings accounts, HSAs. These accounts offer triple tax benefits, tax-deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for qualified medical expenses. 2. Long-term care insurance. Consider this to protect against the high cost of long-term care services. Strategy 6. Use the 4% rule. The 4% rule is a popular guideline for determining how much you can withdraw annually in retirement without running out of money. If you've saved $1 million, withdrawing 4% annually, $40,000, allows your funds to last 30 years or more, assuming average market growth. Warning: this rule may need adjustment based on inflation and individual circumstances, so consult a financial advisor. Strategy 7. Reassess and adjust your plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your retirement plan. Major events like marriage, having children, or a change in income require a reassessment of your goals and strategies. Interesting fact: studies show that individuals who review their financial plans annually accumulate 25% more wealth than those who don't. Conclusion: retirement planning is not a one-size-fits-all journey. It requires discipline, strategic thinking, and a commitment to long-term goals. Whether you're just starting or nearing retirement age, the best strategies, starting early, maximizing retirement accounts, diversifying investments, and creating multiple income streams, can make your golden years truly golden. Video content creation tips. 1. Visuals. Use graphs to illustrate compound interest and portfolio diversification. 1. Show examples of real-life success stories. 2. Narration. Simplify complex concepts with engaging and relatable language. 2. Use motivational quotes to inspire viewers. 3. Call to action. Encourage viewers to start planning today, regardless of their age, and consult a financial advisor for personalized advice. With these strategies, you're not just planning for retirement, you're planning for a secure and fulfilling future.